everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have another Diamond Art Club sneak peek for you. Whoop whoop! This one is called Cotton Candy Princess. And it is from, or by Auclair Studio. I really hope I'm saying that right. Auclair Studio. Something like that. It is a round drill. It is 50.7 centimeters by 50.7 centimeters. Look how cute this is. I love all these colors. I'm so excited to see what this looks like. So we have our standard Diamond Art Club regular box here. You have your Scan Me QR code to unlock 10% off. And I'll also have my affiliate link in the description of this if it's your first time buying from Diamond Art Club. So check that out. On the back of the box, basic instructions here, what the kit includes, so on and so forth. And you can tell if it's a round or square drill by the box here. This is a circle, so it's a round. If it was square, I believe it's a blue. Yeah, blue, it's a square shape. So let's go ahead and open this up. And then we'll take a look at all the contents. I hope you are all having a fabulous day. Can't wait to see this cuteness. All right, so we have the canvas and the plastic here. We have our toolkit. What else we got in here? Oh, sticker. There we go. All right. So this is what it includes in the box here. I'm just going to set this over here. All right. So we have our canvas. We'll get into that in a second. And we have our sticker. So this is usually used if you want to kit up more than one thing at a time. You could put this on your drill storage. It is the higher quality sticker. And if you don't want this to leave residue on your containers, you can always put down like Scotch tape and then put this on top of it because Scotch tape comes off way easier. So there's our little sticker here. It has the name of the canvas, the size, so on and so forth. You can also use that for like your logbook and stuff, but there's another sticker you could use for that too. So let's go ahead and get into our toolkit here. Just gonna rip open the top. Maybe. I'm just going to rip open the whole thing because that's how we roll. All right. Let's see what all we got. Don't fly everywhere. All right. So we have our extra baggies. You can use these once you open the drills if you don't have extra storage or maybe after the canvas. They always send a little bit extra than what you actually need. You could use these baggies to store your stuff in there, your extra drills. We have our washi tape. A lot of people use this for the very border of the canvas, and I'll kind of show you that in a second. This protects it from like animal hair, so on and so forth, if you got things floating around, and it's just really cute. And we have our drill pen. This one's pink with our matching squishy to make it a little bit more comfortable. I'm getting better at these. Look at this. You know, you get the point. There we go. This is bringing it back to like old school days. And we have our multi-placers. This looks like a 4-placer and a 7-placer. So you can either, place your drills one at a time or try your hand at placing multiple ones at a time. And this one just goes right in the top. Cute. They also sent this cover minder here. It looks like it's a seashell. Ooh. And so if you purchase this kit or any other kit, you may get a different cover minder. They're always a little random here. And we have our wax. Ooh, that came open here. And it comes with 2 hearts. Use this to load your pen. So if you want to load your single placer, you just stab it. It's loaded. It's fabulous. Same thing with the multi-placer. But yeah, you'll get the hang of that. It's really easy. And then you can put it right back in your heart-shaped tub thingy here to make sure it stays clean from all that, animal hair, dust, whatever. Keeps it nice and fresh. And we have our, I'm still holding this pen, look at me. We still have our drill tray here. So you can pour your drills in here, you can shake it to flip them over, and it comes with this little drill stopper. So you don't accidentally, get drills flying everywhere. All right, I'm gonna set this over here. Now we're gonna get into the meat and potatoes. My old boss used to say that to me all the time during our team meetings. She's like, we have all this, but let's talk about the meat and potatoes. That's what she said. And she was country too. Like, she was from Tennessee. She had that kind of accent. So with all Diamond Art Club kits, you have your super soft suede canvas with the frayed edges, so, you know, it doesn't, trying to think of how to explain it. Like most canvases, like the cheaper ones, they have where it comes apart on the edges, and these will not because they are frayed. Beautiful. Let's open this sucker up. I always open them upside down. I don't know what's up with that. Look at this. She's so cute. Okay, this is really, really cute. If you have like a gaming room or something, like, I don't know, a 70s style with old school furniture, that's where I'm imagining this hanging. This is so cool. I love this. Okay, we're going to get into the drills and what else came in this. So this is what came wrapped up in it. Going to go through these. First, I'm going to flatten this out real quick, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to do this. So on the corner here, you can pull it up and just simply lay it right back down. And it's not going to be perfectly flat right away by doing this. This is not like a do it and then it's perfectly flat so you can work on it. This is to like get the flatness started. Sometimes I struggle with words, y'all, so that's the only way I can think of to say that. It's to start the flattening process. The flatitude. Flatitude. Look at that. See? Not nearly as bendy, curly. Look at that. She is so cute. I love what they did to these eyes. I don't know if you can see. She's got like a bazillion colors going on in this eye. And this is supposed to say happy, I think. Yeah, this says happy, and she has her barrettes here. Cotton Candy Princess, I'll say. Looks like she's got a little braid going down. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see all the drills and the colors for this one. It looks like we're going to have 35 colors, so it's not too crazy. And as you can see, it's not super duper confetti heavy. Now, if you want to see an overall layout of the canvas, at the end of the unboxing video here, I'm going to do a video clip of me going around the canvas, like, I don't know, slow motion or whatever, so you can see it up close. So if you want a better view, you can check that out. So there is the canvas. Now, this is what was wrapped in. And I will go through all of this. Okay, so this is the little notebook that they send you. There we go. Thank you for your purchase, it says. You have tips and tricks, instructions. You have, oh, take a look here for step-by-step video instructions. And they have a QR code to that. They talk about their VIP Facebook group here. If you are not part of the VIP Facebook group, I'm going to have the direct link in the description. You can also take your phone and scan this QR code. But yeah, this is a really good group to be in because if you're newer to diamond painting, there's people in there that have been diamond painting for years and years. And odds are if you have the question, somebody else has also had the question. They're always so willing to help, things like that. And then it looks like 20% off your first purchase through the app. And again, my affiliate link will be down below, so check that out too. And then we have our little sticker labeling thing. This is the other sticker I was talking about that you can use for your logbook. You can put your start date and your end date. It has the name of the painting and the artist, Auclair Studios. And I looked Auclair Studio up, and it's like a collective of artists, like a big group of them. And it's pretty cool. And they all like work together on these things. And I know some people had some questions about their use of AI. Researched that too. And they use AI for color corrections, not so much the style. This is all their group of artists that create these. So just a little tidbit for you there. This also has the shape of the drills, the size, and the skew, in case you want that for some reason. And then this is the best part. This is one of my favorite parts about Diamond Art Club kits, other than the quality, of course. But these are individualized stickers, y'all. So if you're new to diamond painting, when you kit up, you put your drills here in your little containers, and then you can put the symbols on them so you know what drills correspond to what symbol on here easily. And you can just look at it with a glance. So at the top, usually the straight numbers mean that they're going to be AB drills. So possibly have 5 AB drills, it looks like. And they have very straightforward standard symbols, which I also love. And here we are. So these are their glitter or fairy dust drills. They're like little glitter drills. I call them razzle dazzle. But yeah, they have like glitter on top of the drills. I'll show you. Looks like we have 3 different ones. I'm assuming they're gonna be in her hair and maybe her necklace. I don't know. I'm curious. We'll take a look. So let's see. We're gonna go through these first. I'm gonna show you the different colors, and then I'll kind of find where the special drills go on the canvas. Bear with me here. All right, and we're gonna go through these colors one by one, because I got feedback that some people love that. I like it too. I just know that the noise can be a bit much. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna zoom in here a little bit. There we go. Okay, so we have 211, the really pretty purple. 2 big old bags of that. That's gonna be, yeah, that's the background. Z, here is one of our glitter dust drills. Look at this. I don't know if I've seen these on rounds before. That is gorgeous. You see how it has that top coating of that glitter? This is so pretty. Let me see if I can zoom out here. Hold on. And then this is the 11. This would be this symbol. So this is throughout her hair. Yep. So this glitter dust drill all throughout her hair. Then we have 825. It's dark blue. 3766. 3608603. Super pretty pinks. Ooh, 2 big old bags of 3713. And then 3865. Ooh, we got a straggler up in there. Adorable. Okay, here is another razzle dazzle glitter dust fairy dust drill. This one is the pink with the top coating. And this one is the double dot symbol. Let's see. So that is also a chunk of her hair right up in here. Looks like we have it in her little hair ice cream cone topper thingamajigs. So this pink one is kind of throughout. Then we have the yellow fairy dust drill Z727. Super, super pretty yellow. And yeah, same thing. That's the triangle symbol. It's throughout her hair here. Yep, on both sides. Cute. So her hair is going to be sparkly. Then we have 3607, 718, 939, 208, 3837, 155, 3685. This is like such a huge variety of colors. That is awesome. All right, we have one more strand here. We have 799, 957, 3824. Here is our AB 106. Let's see where this one is. This is the one. Let me find it on this canvas. Where is the ones? Okay, so this is throughout. There's some on the ice cream cones here. Yeah, these are just kind of spread out as well, which adds like a lot of contrast, especially like once that light hits the painting. Really pretty. 891, 792. Ooh, look at this one. This is 131. Look how pretty that one is. Oh my gosh. I am obsessed. We have 122. Oh my gosh, this looks like a color of like a mermaid tail or something. Holy moly. That is so pretty. Wow. And then, wow, I just saw there's a bunch of ABs in this happy here and in the bows. There's a bunch of yellow ones in this one. They're all spread out. Sorry, I just saw that out of the corner of my eye. We have 151, 741, 327, 340, 597, 3856. That's an interesting color. 3833, 317, 3770, 907. So we have a huge variety of colors here, y'all. Look at all these. It's like the most perfect color palette here for a cotton candy princess. This is so pretty. Like I said, this would look amazing in like a game room, or even if you have like a sitting room with like, you know, old style furniture. So pretty. I love this. And this does have their Diamond Art Club's new, what do you call it? Perforated plastic. And that is, you can kind of feel these faint lines here. And that's to help you section off your canvas. Some people like it, some people don't. But you can like pull some up and see how it just easily comes up. And you can work on this section, you know, that's exposed, and then you can recover it. I like to use a mixture of, you know, pulling up sections and release papers personally. But, you know, whatever your preference is. If you're new, you'll kind of do a few and figure out what you like and what you don't like, what you prefer. But yeah, that's it for this one. I am going to do that close-up of the canvas next. But I do appreciate you all being here and watching. If you're brand new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. And yeah, hit the thumbs up on your way out too. But yeah, thanks for being here, and I hope everyone has a great day. Bye-bye for now.